How to profit off the coronavirus. I'm sure there will be some who will say not to profit off the misery of others. But if it's a pandemic like the coronavirus, someone is going to make money. So it might as well be you, especially when there is money to be made. Now, to say that this is just a very serious flu is an understatement. It's not, so stay safe. With that said, here are several ways you can profit off the coronavirus. First, buy airline stocks. No one wants to travel since that's how this thing spread all over the world. People infected in one country flies all over and coughs in another country. Because of that, airlines have taken a hit. Even some idiot tried to go viral on his social media by stopping a plane by saying he's got coronavirus. People are scared and airlines are down. So buy airline stocks. They'll eventually recover. If not, well, the world's going to end, so it shouldn't matter anyhow. Next, buy Anheuser-Busch stock. They're the company that owns Corona beer, that American classic who 12% of idiots, people, think caused the coronavirus. Sales of Corona have been suppressed. Why take the chances, right? It could have came from the beer, or maybe not, but fake news spreads fast and companies get hurt. It just makes it that much more appealing. Next, buy cruise ship stocks. Cruise ships are coffins of the sea, at least for those who have been quarantined out there while awaiting tests or waiting for their host country to cure the coronavirus. No one wants to be trapped at sea, even if it is mildly luxurious. All these cruise ships will see its stock plummet until that coronavirus washes over. Next, buy hand sanitizers and face masks and toilet paper from dollar stores and then resell them at large markups on eBay and Amazon. A few weeks ago, many of these supplies were sold out on Amazon as people panicked to find these items that probably won't prevent them from getting the virus. But that won't stop people from buying, so when demand is up, you'll profit mightily if you have the supply. Next is to buy healthcare stocks, for two reasons. The Trump administration, with help from Congress, just passed a bill shelling out billions of dollars towards finding a way to rid the earth of this virus. That means the private sector is going to get a windfall of cash. The second part to this is the progress. When news or hints of a vaccine or cure have been tested, you'll see many of these pharma companies pop as their stock rises. Buy any stock in companies that require a lot of people to attend their functions. Think of Disneyland, movie theaters, casinos, as I said earlier, airplanes and cruise ships. In a large crowd of people confined to a certain area, what do you think the odds of one person having coronavirus there? 1%, 2%, 100%? That uncertainty will turn off a lot of people, enough for the stock to suffer a bit, and that's where you buy. Think of it this way, you can hide and send prayers to those affected by the coronavirus, or you can do something about it. Most of us aren't doctors or virologists, so you might as well profit from it.